So as most of you know, we are getting ready to hit the road for 8 months, all around the country, and this week is getting ready week. Each day I'll post a video showing exactly what we're doing to get ready. Today is we got to go pick up the Jeep. The Jeep broke down after 6,000 miles. There's concrete trucks. That's always fun. Jeep broke down after 6,000 miles. The charging unit for the plug-in charger stopped working. It was throwing a fault, and it sounded like it was just a software update, but we'll see when we go to pick it up today. The Jeep is a very important part of this, obviously, because it's got the tow package on it, so we're able to tow it behind the motor coach as a toad. Sorry. Oh man, as you know, I can't do more than one thing at once. So we're going to pick that up today and then start getting that ready. But all week I'll be getting the motor coach ready. So I will post a video every day on what Wendy and I are doing to get the coach ready for our trip. Since the Jeep broke down, we rented this Jeep Cherokee that apparently the dealership's going to pay for us. So we've had it for 3 or 4 days now. We had my father's car for a while, but he wanted that back. So we take this up, drop it off for the Jeep, which I'm anxious to see if they actually got it fixed. This is what we need.
No.
Ooh, steel shop.
Yeah.
There it is.
Okay. Now let's figure out how to drive.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Oh, you have to give her the keys to the Hertz.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, that hurts. And here's paperwork.
Okay, I'm going to see if I can get.
I can pull out. That's no problem.
Oh, yeah.
How are you going to do that? Oh,
I'll
from
back
here
up a little
you
bit.
go?
Yeah. And just sneak right through.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, we picked the Jeep up. It seems to be running fine, so we'll see when we get back and we'll plug it in.
Yay, we got the Jeep.
Our next stop is to get something to eat because I'm hungry.
Gary's like, yeah, Wendy, you go and buy something that's good for the environment, and this is what happens. I said, yeah, exactly.
Right, because we care about the environment.
Especially since we have a diesel pusher that's 42 feet that gets 3 miles a gallon.
Yes, can I get one spicy chicken sandwich and one regular chicken sandwich with no pickles? Let me explain. What happened to the Jeep was, when you plugged it in, these two end lights would come on, which stated that there was a fault. Now it's charging properly. So it sounds like it was just a software update, which is great. So a lot of people were asking, a lot of people online were wondering what was going on because they were having the same problem. And it looks like it's just a software update. So go get your update and you'll be fine. That's it.
I think Captain Jace was great.
Yeah, he was great. Great boat too.
Yeah.
He was a great captain.
And it was easy.
He could have, and I was thinking about this because we've done this a million times on our boat. He could have splashed the hell out of us multiple times.
Oh yeah, multiple times.
And I'm not sure.
You've done that to me many a times.
Well, sometimes.
Yeah. So yeah, loved it. It was great.
Yeah, he was great. He was great. The boat was great. The trip was great.
Easy, really easy.
Oh.
I mean, 30 minutes out, if that.
If that.
And just set us right in fish. I mean, right into the fish.
And I'm saying, with your first cast, right?
Yeah.
Both of us.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
unbelievable.
Yeah. Kind of like Alaska, but not really.
Well, we kind of have bad luck fishing anyway. On our boat, we never caught many fish, but I never really got to fish, so it was really nice to be able to fish.
Yeah.
Really
We gotta
nice,
do this
actually.
much more.
That was it. Thanks for joining us on our journey.
That was great.